Good evening. What is your name?
My name is Lida.
How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
What's your favorite film?
My favorite film is Serena Lattice because it's wicked and funny.
What's the most significant festival in your country?
The most significant festival in Vietnam is Hung Thi Festival.
Now let us have the speaking test for Unit 10 about sources of energy. What are the renewable sources of energy?
There are 5 renewable sources of energy: solar power, then vegetable biomass, wind power.
Okay, now what are the advantages of renewable sources of energy?
The benefits advantage of renewable sources energy is safe for the environment. We have abundant natural resources to make use of it.
Okay, now what are the disadvantages of renewable sources of energy?
It is limited and
Limited and okay, now what are the non-renewable sources of energy?
the non-renewable sources of energy is coal, oil, nuclear energy, and
What are the advantages of non-renewable sources of energy?
this is
It is is it abundant or it's easy to use? What are the advantages of non-renewable sources of energy?
this is easy to use and have abundant.
What are the disadvantages of non-renewable sources of energy?
This is will pollution for the environment.
Okay, that's all for tonight. Linda, thank you and goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Hi,